Yo, what's up? How's it going? Ever pondered why the photos taken with a camera lens appear straight even though the camera lens is round? Or perhaps you wondered why the airplane wings have that distinctive curved shape? Well, in today's video, I'll unveil the hidden purposes behind everyday phenomena that we take for granted. So without wasting any time, let's cut to the chase. Well, as we take very beautiful pics daily and they are so heart attracting. But have you ever noticed that the camera you use has a round shape but the picture appears straight? Interesting, isn't it? Well, the reason behind it is that the image sensor within the lens is square, ensuring that the pictures that we take are perfectly aligned. That's why most pictures are square or rectangle. Surprising, isn't it? Number 2. Remember that time when Mr. Beast made a video where he helped many people see again with the help of doctors? But how can a blind person regain their sight? Well, if you have lost your sight due to an accident, then it can be cured. How is it possible? Well, vision loss often occurs due to a mysterious white layer that forms, blocking our sight. But fear not. In just a quick 10-minute surgery, doctors can literally suck that obstacle right out of your eyes, restoring your vision. It's like magic. Number 3. Have you ever marveled at the beauty of a firefly emitting its mesmerizing light? Fireflies illuminate the night with their magical glow, all thanks to a chemical called luciferin. And here's the twist. They don't have lungs. Surprising, isn't it? Instead, they store oxygen in their backs. When they take a breath of oxygen, it reacts with the luciferin, creating that stunning light show. It's nature's own display of beauty, and it's truly enchanting. Wow. Number 4. Have you ever noticed that many airplanes have curved wings? What is the reason behind it? Does anyone know? Well, these are not just for looks. When these planes soar through the skies, the edges of their wings encounter a tremendous amount of air pressure. By curving the wings, they require much less energy to overcome this pressure, resulting in significant fuel savings. So those sleek curves are all about fuel efficiency and physics at play. And here's a travel tip for you. Ever wondered why you have to take your laptop out at the airport security? Well, it's not just for fun. These devices are packed with micro components that can't be properly scanned while being inside the bag. So that's it, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel.